In this lesson, we will explore how to post to an e-list via email. Provided that an owner has allowed users to post, you may decide to send one to all members of a list. In order to do this, you will need to open an email client and create an email, compose your message, and send it to the e-list address. Let's try it. From your email client, compose a new message by clicking New Email. Enter the e-list address in the to line. The e-list address is the e-list name at elist.tufts.edu. Enter a subject for your post. In the body of the message, enter the message of your post. Click Send. Note that if the owner has set restrictions for sending a post, you may receive an email telling you that either your email has been forwarded to the moderator for approval or that your post has been denied. Once it has been posted, as a member of the e-list, you will receive a copy of it in your inbox.